Most people think aging starts with weak arms or poor vision. But in truth, it's the legs. They're the first to give in. You might not notice it at first, but your legs start giving out long before the pain. First comes fatigue, then instability, then fear of falling. We tend to think it's just age. But often, the reason is much simpler. Your legs aren't being fed. Muscles starve and grow weak. After 60, leg strength declines twice as fast. To stay mobile, you don't need injections. You need daily support through food. Do you feel it's harder to stand long? Your knees ache, your muscles feel floppy, and you take longer to recover after walking? That's your muscles asking for nutrition. Foods can work just as well as supplements, but only if you know which ones actually reach your muscles and work from within. Not all foods are equally helpful. Some are overhyped and give temporary relief. Others genuinely strengthen legs and improve balance. Today, we'll show you 10 foods that have powerful scientific support and are available in every store. These foods won't cure overnight, but they do what pills can't. They give your muscles, joints, and vessels the building blocks they need. You can add them to your regular meals, no exotic items, no strict diets, no extremes. And in just 2 weeks, you may see real change. They improve muscle tone, reduce inflammation, strengthen blood vessels, and speed up recovery after exertion. These aren't flashy superfoods. They're everyday foods, but few know how to use them for leg strength. But before we dive into each one, subscribe. We make simple guides for better health after 60. And in the comments, share what leg symptoms bother you most. That'll help us make the next video even more useful. Now let's begin. 10 foods to add to your diet so your legs can feel strong and steady again. The first product is salmon. It's not just protein. It's a source of omega-3s that nourish blood vessels, reduce inflammation, and help your leg muscles work without strain. Omega-3 improves joint mobility, reduces morning stiffness, and speeds up recovery after walking. It's especially helpful if your legs often feel stiff and heavy. Who benefits most? People with varicose veins, knee pain, fatigue after stairs, or inflammation in the joints. How to eat it? 2 to 3 times a week, baked, stewed, or boiled. You can substitute with mackerel, sardines, or trout. Avoid frying. Signs you may lack omega-3s: evening swelling, calf throbbing, aching legs when the weather changes. Salmon is a gentle remedy for these signs. The second product is spinach. It's rich in magnesium and potassium, 2 minerals that support muscle tone and help prevent cramps. Magnesium helps muscles relax after exertion, and potassium transmits brain signals to the legs. Together, they reduce shakiness and the rubbery leg feeling. It's especially important to eat spinach if you get nighttime cramps, muscle twitching, or throbbing in your lower legs. How to eat it? Best gently sautéed with olive oil or in an omelet. Don't eat large amounts raw. It may interfere with calcium absorption. 1 handful of spinach a day, and in just 5 to 7 days, your leg muscles may start feeling more stable, especially by the end of the day. The third product is red lentils. It's a powerful source of plant protein, iron, and B vitamins, everything your muscles need to recover. Protein is the building block of muscle tissue. Without it, your muscles don't recover well, feel weak, and tire more easily. Iron delivers oxygen to your muscles. A lack of it causes fatigue, breathlessness, and the feeling of heavy legs. Lentils are easy to digest, don't cause bloating, and are ideal even for those who don't tolerate meat well. Especially helpful for women over 60. How to eat it? Cook it as a side dish, add to soups, or make warm salads with olive oil. For leg strength, aim for at least 2 servings per week. The fourth product is prunes. They're rarely seen as muscle food, but that's a mistake. They're rich in potassium, magnesium, and antioxidants, exactly what your legs need. Potassium supports muscle tone and contraction control. Without it, cramps and that rubbery leg feeling often appear. Magnesium relieves leg tension, improves sleep, and helps you recover from daily strain, especially useful if your legs ache by evening. Prunes also support digestion, reduce inflammation, and strengthen bones, all crucial for balance and stability. How to eat them? Have 3 to 4 in the morning or afternoon. Try them with yogurt, cottage cheese, or as a snack. The key is consistency, not random bites. The fifth product is buckwheat. Often underrated, it's one of the most powerful grains for leg health, packed with magnesium, iron, protein, and fiber. Magnesium and iron feed your muscles, protein aids recovery, and fiber improves circulation and reduces swelling. Buckwheat is especially helpful if your legs often feel cold, cramp at night, or grow heavy during the day. How to eat it? Cook with water or plant milk. Add it to salads, pair with vegetables, or serve as a side. Just 3 to 4 servings per week can improve leg tone, reduce that rubbery feeling, and boost endurance during walks. The 6th product is avocado gentle fat for your vessels and joints. It enhances tissue elasticity and energizes muscles. It contains potassium, vitamin E, healthy fats, and folate, a perfect blend to support leg strength and flexibility. Especially beneficial if you have stiff joints, low ligament elasticity, or your legs tire quickly after climbing stairs. How to eat it? Half an avocado a day with egg on toast or in a salad. Just don't fry it or mix with heavy meals. In just 5 to 7 days you may notice your step feels lighter, muscles softer, and movement less stiff. The 7th product is eggs. Simple, affordable, and nearly perfect protein. Each egg provides building blocks for muscles and an energy boost for your legs. Egg protein is almost fully absorbed. Plus, eggs provide B12, biotin, vitamin D, and fats that help other nutrients do their job. If you feel weakness, emptiness in your legs, or tire quickly, it may be a protein deficiency. Eggs can help fix that. Ideally, eat 1 to 2 eggs in the morning or early afternoon, paired with vegetables. Don't fear cholesterol in moderation. Eggs actually support balance. Eggs are especially beneficial if you're losing muscle, recovering from illness, or noticing instability in your walk. The 8th product is pumpkin seeds. Not just a snack, they're packed with magnesium, zinc, protein, and antioxidants for your legs. Magnesium helps relax muscles and stop night cramps. Zinc speeds up tissue repair. And protein is fuel for strength. If you experience cramps, calf heaviness, or twitching, try a handful of seeds before bed or as a midday snack. Pumpkin seeds are easy to add to salads, oatmeal, or yogurt. Just don't roast them. Eat raw or lightly dried. They're especially helpful if you take diuretics, lose magnesium, and deal with nighttime cramps. The 9th product is beetroot. It boosts blood flow in your legs, helps muscles receive more oxygen, and speeds up recovery. Beetroot contains nitrates that dilate blood vessels and improve circulation. That means less swelling, less fatigue, and better muscle tone. Especially useful for that stagnant leg feeling, varicose veins, heaviness, or a marbled look in the feet, all signs of poor circulation. How to eat it? Boiled, roasted, or in salads. Pairs well with garlic and olive oil. Best eaten during the day, not late at night. Within a week, you may notice your legs tire less, recover faster after exertion, and your walk feels steadier. And the final product on our list is kiwi, a small fruit that powerfully supports blood vessels and post-exercise recovery. Kiwi is rich in vitamin C, potassium, and enzymes that help leg tissues recover faster after walking, climbing stairs, or even long periods of standing. It reduces joint inflammation, strengthens capillaries, and boosts iron absorption, which means more oxygen for your leg muscles. Eat kiwi in the morning on an empty stomach or with a light breakfast. It's gentle on the stomach and gives a soft boost of clarity and energy. It's especially helpful if you're prone to swelling, varicose veins, or heavy-feeling legs during the day. It's natural support for your vessels. We've gone through 10 foods that truly strengthen your legs, not just in theory, but through real nourishment, recovery, and vascular support. Each one works in its own way. One improves blood flow, another reduces inflammation, a third restores muscle tone. Together, they give your legs what they need after 60: better balance, less fatigue, fewer cramps, and more freedom of movement. You don't need everything at once. Start with 2 to 3 of these foods and add more gradually. Your body will tell you what works best. This isn't a someday list. It's a guide worth revisiting because your legs are your foundation and they deserve your care. Save this video. Share it with loved ones. Come back to it in a week and see what's already changed. Your legs can become stronger, not overnight, not suddenly, but steadily. Strength isn't about age. It's about nourishment, attention, and movement. Subscribe if you want more honest advice, No fear-mongering, no extremes. Just what truly works. Like this video if you've saved it as your personal guide. It'll help others discover it too. And in the comments, let us know which of these foods are already part of your routine and how do your legs feel.